How to check comments history on Instagram. This is what we are going to talk about today. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any delay, let's move into the video. First of all, open the Instagram app. As you open the Instagram app, go to the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then go on these three lines that are located up above. As you click on these three lines, then go to the activity option that is located down below. As you click on the activity option, go to the interaction option that is located right over there. Click on that and then go to comment section. Now from here you can see or check your comment history. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to like the video. Thanks.